friend of me is HUWAEI Matepad 10.4 2022, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize theme of your keyboard on this device. First of all, you need to access settings, scroll all the way down and choose system and updates. Then click on language and input, SwiftKey keyboard and finally themes. Over here you can select yours, tap on one of those and go back. As you can see, when I do that, theme of my keyboard has changed. But you can always go into the same settings, but this time select custom section and click on start. Now tap on add image and select photo that you wish to apply as your keyboard background. I will go with that one. Now you need to click on the check mark at the top right corner, adjust your photo over here, and then select adjust background darkness by swiping left or right, and select done. Now you can manage key borders and symbols by clicking on those switchers over here and tap on done. If you wish to correct your image, you can always tap on this pen icon over here, make your changes and tap on done again. Now manage key borders and lastly symbols. Then choose done at the top right corner, and when I go back, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!